This is a story about a little boy named Tom. Good night, Teddy Bear. What is that sound? Look! Look! I need to find my mom! Open! Ah! Open! Oh no, this is bad. Mom, I'm scared. Please help me.
Tom is all alone. He feels scared and lonely. He looks around.
No monster, no monster! Go away! Go away! No monster, no monster! Is that a monster? Go away! Go away!
Tom, are you okay? I hear you crying. Don't be scared, my dear. Mommy is here.
I should check on Tom, she says. He doesn't like thunder and lightning. She hears a noise. It is coming from Tom's room.
Tom, are you okay? I hear you crying.
My dear, she says. Mommy is here. Mom, please come inside. I need you. The door opens. Light comes into the room. Wow, everything feels warm and bright.
I'm so glad you're here, Mommy.
My brave boy. Sorry I came late.
There was a monster under my bed.
Come here, Tom. There are no real monsters. It's just your imagination. Let's look under the bed together. See, honey? Let's play a little game. This spider is brave, just like you. I'm here. Don't be scared.
I'm not scared anymore. Oh. That's just my shirt.
You are very brave, Tom. I'm so proud of you.
Yay!
Proud of you. The light comes back on. Yay! Tom cheers. They blow out the candle.
This is your new friend. You can use it when you feel scared.
Wow! My own flashlight. I can chase away scary shadows. Look, Mom. I have the power of light.
Okay, playtime is over. Time to sleep.
Okay, Mom.
Stay warm and keep your blanket on.
I will, Mom.
Good night, my love.
Good night.
Good night, my love, Mom says. Good night, Tom replies. Tom feels peaceful.
Thank you for watching. Goodbye.